capacity of the density bottle as 50 cubic centimeters, and I want to get the volume of the aluminium tannings. Remember, water here will occupy any space that aluminium tannings has left. So for me to get the volume of aluminium tannings inside this density bottle, I'll take the volume of the density bottle. So I say it's going to be the volume of the density. Let me just write volume of BB minus the volume of water here. The reason as to why we have used water is that water is a liquid that we already know its density. We know that the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeters. And we are also given the mass of water. Therefore, it is very easy for us to find the volume that is occupied by this water here. After finding the volume of water that occupies this part, therefore we are going to be in the position of getting the volume of aluminium tannings. So the volume of aluminium tannings is equals to the volume of density bottle minus the volume of water. Now, the volume of the density bottle I already have. The volume of the density bottle here is 50 cubic centimeters. Whatever I'm lacking is the volume of water. Let me calculate the volume of water here. The volume of water. After writing that, we know that the volume is mass over density. So I'll say volume of water is equivalent to mass of water divided by density of water. So for mass of water, we are given the mass of water. Let us see this interpretation here. We are told that the mass of the density bottle plus aluminium tannings is 60 grams. The density bottle has aluminium tannings. Its mass is 60 grams. And the mass of density bottle plus aluminium tannings plus water is 90 grams. So the density bottle together with aluminium tannings and water is 90 grams. How can I get the mass of water? I'll take 90 minus 60 to get the mass of water. Why? Because this is the mass of the density bottle plus aluminium tannings plus water. And this is the mass of the density bottle plus aluminium tannings. And I'm only interested in getting the mass of water. So I'm going to take 90 minus 60 to get 30. So the mass of water here is going to be 30 grams. And the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeters. So this one and this one, they cancel. I'm going to be left with 30 cubic centimeters as the volume of water. So the volume of water here is 30 cubic centimeters. And I had to get the volume of water for me to get the volume of aluminium tannings. So the volume of aluminium tannings is going to be the volume of density bottle, which is 50 cubic centimeters, minus the volume of water, that is 30 cubic centimeters. 30 cubic centimeters. Now, the volume of aluminium tannings is going to be 20 cubic centimeters. So I now have the volume of aluminium tannings, and at the same time I have the mass of aluminium tannings. I can now get the density of aluminium tannings. Remember, we have used the density bottle to get this density of aluminium tannings. So what is the density? What is the density of aluminium tannings? Let me just use this part. No, let me use this other side. So density of aluminium tanning is going to be the mass of aluminium tannings, that is 50 grams. So I write 50 grams. I divide by the volume of aluminium tannings that we have calculated to be 20 cubic centimeters. This one and this one, they cancel each other. 2 goes here once, 2 will go here how many times? 2 goes to 5, 2 times 0.5. So it's 2 remainder. 2 goes here 2 times, bringing 4, that is remainder 1. 2 goes into 10, 2 times, remainder 2. 2 goes to 20, how many times? 5 times. So it's 2.25 grams per cubic centimeters. Let me confirm using my calculators to be a little bit sure. 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Sorry, the calculation here is not so good. So it's 50 divided by 20 brings you 2.5. And it's 2.5 grams per cubic centimeters. This is now the density of aluminium tannings. Have you seen the way getting the density of aluminium tannings using the density bottle is so simple? So just continue doing a lot of practices so that you get to master the concept of density bottle. All in all, I wish you all the best. And for those of you who have viewed, I would want you to subscribe, share, and also like. Thank you so much.